Alright, you guys, so this you know what, we ain't gonna do it. We just ain't gonna do it. Take the bracelet out. Take the goddamn bracelet. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to see each time I upload a video. So today we are going to be doing this faux lock hairstyle. This is definitely crochet, and I am using the crochet, excuse me, I'm tired. I am using the illusion crochet method. So if you want to see how I got this installed, then definitely stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so this is the hair. This is Niseo. I think I'm pronouncing that right. But this is their butterfly locks. Hair is 12 inches, and I would definitely have everything down in the description box below. But this hair is already pre-looped, and you get 6 packs of hair, and 12 butterfly locks comes in each pack. But again, I will put everything down in the description box below. So if you have not seen how I do my illusion crochet pattern, I do have another video in detail showing you how I do the pattern. So in this video, all I'm going to be doing is installing the hair. Alright, so I'm starting out by showing you guys how I install the hair. You actually can see from the first piece, the hair did not lay flat, but later on in the video, you will see that I did redo it. And basically, you will want to apply your crochet needle down on whatever side you're working on so that the hair could lay flat. I also want to point out the loophole was a very like tight. Like, it was so hard to get the hair through the loop. But later on in the video, you will see I took the ends of each butterfly lock and put it through the loop, which made it super easy. So yeah, that's that. Alright, you guys, so this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my install. Definitely let me know if you like this down below in the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. As always, you guys, I will see y'all in the next one.